What's happening deep beneath the ocean in that endless darkness where even sunlight can't reach? What is causing terrifying sea creatures to rise to the surface in fear? Creatures that normally live more than a kilometer below the ocean are suddenly washing up dead on shores around the world. Even killer whales known as the kings of the ocean are being found stranded near coastlines. Is it just a coincidence, or is something far more dangerous approaching us? Not long ago, a horrifying event shocked Australia's Tasmania Island. Nearly 150 killer whales suddenly appeared along the shore at the same time. Some were already dead. The others looked so terrified that even when humans tried to guide them back into the sea, they refused to return. These are the same predators that make other marine animals tremble in fear. So why were they themselves desperately rushing toward land? And that's not all. On the beaches of Odisha, India, an unbelievable sight stunned the world. Nearly 700,000 olive ridley turtles came ashore together. These turtles usually stay deep underwater, nearly 150 meters below the surface. After traveling thousands of kilometers across the ocean, why did they suddenly arrive here all at once? Recently, thousands of fish were found washed up along the coast of Kerala. But the strangest part was many of them didn't even try to return to the ocean. On a beach in Mexico, people discovered a bizarre creature nearly 6 meters long with a body that looked almost rubber-like. It was an oarfish, a mysterious creature that normally lives in the dark depths of the deep sea and almost never comes to the surface. Yet now, dead oarfish are appearing on coastlines across the world. In ancient times, people believed that whenever an oarfish appeared near the surface, it was a warning sign of a massive natural disaster. So the question is, are these strange events trying to tell us something? Could the terrifying sea monster known as Leviathan finally be awakening? The name Leviathan has long been connected to the terrifying mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. Legends claim it swallowed countless ships and thousands of people into the deep ocean. But is Leviathan really returning, or have humans created this disaster with our own hands? In today's video, we'll uncover why deep-sea creatures are suddenly rising toward their own deaths and what terrifying warning may be hidden behind these mysterious events. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to subscribe now. The ocean covers nearly 71% of Earth's surface, yet humans have explored only around 5% of it. We've reached the moon and even Mars, but the deepest parts of our own planet remain almost completely unknown. The deepest place in the ocean is the Mariana Trench, nearly 11 kilometers below the surface. No sunlight can reach there. The water is freezing cold, and the pressure is so intense that a human body would be crushed instantly. Hidden within this dark abyss are creatures that seem like they came from another world. Take the anglerfish, for example. It has a glowing light hanging from its head like a tiny lantern. When prey comes close to the light, the creature attacks and swallows it instantly. Recently, strange deep-sea creatures were spotted rising near the Canary Islands, something scientists consider extremely unusual. A Russian fisherman once caught a bizarre fish that looked almost like a human brain. The creature was called a smooth lumpfish. After videos of it went viral online, people began spreading terrifying theories and stories across the internet. These incidents suggest that something mysterious may be happening deep beneath the ocean, and whenever these creatures rise to the surface, terrible disasters often seem to follow. Looking back through history, the appearance of oarfish has repeatedly been linked to terrifying events. In the 15th century, a massive oarfish appeared near Greenland's coast. Just days later, a devastating storm struck the region, killing thousands of people. In 1855, a silver-colored oarfish was found near Japan. Soon afterward, Tokyo was shaken by a violent earthquake. And then came the disaster the world still remembers today. In 2011, multiple oarfish washed ashore in Japan. Not long after, the catastrophic Fukushima tsunami struck, killing nearly 20,000 people. Now, once again, deep-sea creatures including oarfish are appearing on beaches around the world. So is this all just coincidence, or is nature trying to warn us about something terrifying? Scientists say there are 4 major reasons why deep-sea creatures may suddenly rise toward the surface. First, global warming. The ocean is getting warmer every year. Even the cold, dark depths where these creatures survive are changing. Oxygen levels are dropping, forcing many animals to move upward just to survive. Second, plastic pollution. Every year, more than 10 million tons of plastic enter the ocean. Over time, this plastic breaks down into tiny particles called microplastics. Marine animals mistake them for food and slowly die after consuming them. In one shocking case in the Philippines, scientists cut open a dead whale and found nearly 40 kilograms of plastic inside its stomach. Third, deep-sea mining. Massive machines are now being sent deep into the ocean to search for minerals, oil, and gas. This destroys the natural habitats of marine life. Terrified creatures are being forced upward, where humans finally begin to notice them. Fourth, tectonic activity. Underwater earthquakes and volcanic eruptions can also frighten deep-sea animals. Sudden tectonic shifts may force them to flee toward the surface in panic. Now let's talk about Leviathan. According to ancient texts, Leviathan's eyes burned like fire, and its breath was like flames. It was said to be a creature no one could control. Some people believe the disappearances inside the Bermuda Triangle were caused by this monstrous being. At one point, an enormous shadow spotted on Google Earth even sparked rumors that Leviathan had finally been discovered. Scientists dismiss these claims as myths, but the question still remains: if something like Leviathan truly exists, could humanity survive against it? And Leviathan isn't the only terrifying creature hidden in the deep ocean. The giant squid can grow up to 12 meters long, with eyes nearly the size of a human head. The vampire squid sounds terrifying, but it's actually a small creature that glows suddenly when threatened, confusing predators in the darkness. The Dumbo octopus has ear-like fins that make it look almost cute, resembling Disney's Dumbo elephant. Then there's the goblin shark, a horrifying deep-sea predator so strange-looking that many people call it the alien shark. Friends, when creatures that have hidden for millions of years in the darkest depths of the ocean suddenly begin appearing before humans, it may not be a coincidence. It could be a warning. If we don't stop polluting the oceans, if we don't fight global warming, if we continue destroying marine ecosystems, then one day the ocean itself may turn against humanity. So what do you think? Are these deep-sea creatures rising to the surface because of natural disasters, or has the terrifying Leviathan truly awakened? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more mysterious and mind-blowing stories from around the world.